All right, simply put, here's a handful of questions that are worthwhile to answer for yourself. Okay. First question is, do you think if we do nothing, if we just sit back and chill, do you think the world is on the right path? Okay. That's question one. Question two is, are you just going to sit back and let everything unfold? Or is there a part of you that wants to do something about it? All right. So, one final question is, what do you see as the role of community and your role in community around you? So, I'll give you a little story here now. I remember for the longest time, I just had my community kind of around me, the community I was programmed for. So I grew up, had my friends, people that I kind of got along with and everything. But I learned very quickly that I have huge aspirations, that I want to do really great things with my life. And not everybody that I used to be friends with resonated with that. And that's fine. They got their own goals. But that led me searching. Was searching for the other people that I really wanted to connect with, and the other people who see like, hey, I don't think the world is going on the right path. Like, I don't think my own life is going on the right path. Like, I want to actually genuinely change. I want to make way more money. I want to have way more of an impact. I want to have awesome relationships, and I want to have friends that I'm friends with for the rest of my life, where we actually have like invigorating, life-giving, energy-giving conversations, not just talking about sports or getting together just because we like to get drunk together or something. And so this was 5 years ago, literally 5 freaking years ago, we started this group. And it's a group of us, and we hang out on Friday nights on Zoom for an hour at 5 p.m. Central. We talk about the shit that actually matters, how we're actually leveling up in our lives. Then we introduce each other to each other. So I've literally seen some of my friends meet their now life partners, like husbands, wives, through this hangout group. And it's free. It's free to attend. It's just, you got to genuinely want your life to change. Otherwise, you're not going to have fun on it, and you're just going to be annoyed by what we talk about. But if you actually want your life to change, you're going to find that these are the coolest freaking people in the world, because it's people from all walks of life all around the world who resonate with the same thing. That we see the value in community. We see the value in getting together regularly. We see the value in supporting each other to level up. And we've also found a couple really cool tools, resources. We have a whole library of content. We have videos. We've even built, this has turned into now doing in-person events and podcasts and everything. But it's like the core of this whole thing is what we call our hangout. So if you resonate with that and you want people around you who actually give a shit about the state of the world and the state of our lives and genuinely want to be the best version of yourselves, you should join us. Okay. So message me, and I can email you the link and a little reminder, and you can hop on Zoom. And even if you can't be on video and you just want to listen in, but you want to listen to a bunch of cool people who are actually pumped about their life and they're growing and changing and, walking through difficulties and things like that, but people that have figured some shit out and we're figuring it out together. That is the purpose of the hangout. All right. So if you resonate with that and you see that you want to be part of that, you should check it out. 1 hour of your life could change everything. All right. So message me. You can send me your email or just shoot me a message on Facebook, and I'll make sure you get the link, and then you can hop on Friday. All right.